Welcome to Lead School at Home.
Hi students, in yesterday's class we have seen up to the question number 6 from the exercise 5 and 3 and I have given the question number 7, 8 and 9 for the homework. Now we will see the solution for that homework and also some questions. Okay, now see question number 7, what is given. In a question number 7 we have to prove that sum of the squares of the sides of a rhombus, sum of the squares of the sides of a rhombus is equal to the sum of the squares of its diagonal. First I will draw the rhombus here. See here, we will assume ABCD is a rhombus. This is a rhombus ABCD. ABCD. ABCD is a rhombus, and what we have to prove? Sum of the squares of the sides of a rhombus, that is AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus AD square is equal to sum of the squares of its diagonal. That is, what are the diagonals here? I will draw two diagonals. AC is one diagonal and BD is a second diagonal. That is, we have to prove here AC square plus BD square. First we will write given ABCD is a rhombus. ABCD is a rhombus and diagonals AC and BD intersects at point O. We will consider these two diagonals are intersect at point O. Now what we have to prove? We have to prove here sum of the squares of the sides of a rhombus, that is, we have to write the sum of the squares of sides of a rhombus. AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus AD square is equal to sum of the squares of its diagonal. What are the diagonals here? AC and BD are the diagonals. Sum of the squares of its diagonal, that is AC square plus BD square. This much we have to prove here. Let us see how to prove. Proof. We know that WKT means we know that diagonals of a rhombus are bisects each other at 90 degree. We know that diagonals of a rhombus bisects each other at 90 degree. I will write here. We know that diagonals of a rhombus bisects each other at 90 degree. We know this property. Therefore AO is equal to OC and BO is equal to OD. This is equal to this much distance, that is AO is equal to OC and this BO is equal to OD. We know the property of a diagonal, from that we can say here, and angle BOC, this one angle is equal to 90 degree and these all angles is equal to 90 degree. This is the property of a diagonals of a rhombus here. Therefore in triangle BOC, now we will see in triangle BOC. In triangle BOC, BC square is equal to, BC is the hypotenuse here, therefore BC square is equal to, can I write OB square plus OC square? Can I write this OB square plus OC square? Yes. Now see here, instead of this OB, can I write BD divided by 2? BD divided by 2 na? OB is a half of BD only, because this is bisect, that is OB is equal to OD, we know that. Therefore BD divided by 2. I will write here, instead of OB I will write BD divided by 2, and instead of OC can I write AC by 2? Yes. Instead of OB I have to write BD by 2. BD by 2 bracket square plus. Now instead of this OC we have to write AC divided by 2. AC divided by 2 bracket square. What is the reason for this? as we know that since AO is equal to OC and this one BO is equal to OD. BO is equal to OD. Due to this reason, we got here instead of OB, BD divided by 2 and OC is equal to AC divided by 2. BC square as it is. Now, after squaring here, what we will get? BD square divided by 4. BD square divided by 4 plus AC square divided by 4 is equal to BC square. Is equal to BC square. Now, send this 4 or you can multiply whole equation by 4. Multiplying whole equation by 4, we will get 4 times BC square is equal to BD square divided by 4. You multiply by 4 means get 4, this 4 get cancelled. Therefore, we will get BD square here divided by AC square. AC square as it is. Now, mark it as equation number 1. We got 4 times BC square is equal to BD square plus AC square. And I will write here next proof. See here. In the next proof. Similarly, we can write for other sides also. Similarly, I will write for the sides DC. Similarly, 4 times CD square is equal to BD square plus AC square. Can I write like this? Similarly, same procedure you have to follow. You will get 4 times CD square is equal to BD square plus AC square and mark it as equation number 2. Now, similarly, you can take another side also. AD square is equal to 4 times AD square is equal to BD square plus AC square. Mark it as equation number 3 and 4 times this side also AB. Then and 4 times AB square is equal to BD square plus AC square. Mark it as equation number 4. Mark it as equation number 4. Now I will write here. See here. What we have to do in this? We have to add all these equation. That is adding equation 1, 2, 3, and 4. Adding. I will write here better. Adding equation 1, 2, 3, and 4. After adding all these equations, we get, here what we will get? We have to add these equations. 4 times BC square plus 4 times CD square plus 4 times AD square plus 4 times AB square is equal to, we have to add all these things. That is BD square plus AC square, again BD square plus AC square, again BD square plus AC square, one more time BD square plus AC square, BD square plus AC square. We got BD square plus AC square 4 times here, and from this, from LHS, can we take the 4 common? Yes, I will take a 4 common from the LHS. We will get in a bracket BC square plus CD square plus AD square plus AB square. We will get this much, which is equal to see here, BD square plus AC square how many times here? BD square plus AC square 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, and 4 time. We got 4 times BD square plus AC square. I can write like this. Therefore, we got this much. Now, this 4 and this 4 get cancelled. Therefore, we got here BC square plus CD square plus AD square plus AB square is equal to BD square plus AC square. Observe this. Here BC is a side, CD is also side, AD is also side, and AB is also side. We got the sum of the squares of all the sides is equal to BD square plus AC square. That is sum of the diagonal squares. That only we want in the proof. Therefore, hence proved. Hence proved. Copy down this. Now we will see question number 8. See in a question number 8 what is given here in a figure. O is a point. In this figure, O is a point in the interior of a triangle ABC. Interior of a triangle ABC, there is a point O, such that OD is perpendicular to BC. This OD is perpendicular to BC. OE is perpendicular to AC. This OE is perpendicular to AC, and OF is perpendicular to AB. It is given here. Now we have to show this. This much we have to show here. That is OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OE square. This much is equal to this much. We have to show here. Let us see how to prove this. We will prove first one. We will prove the first one. See here, in a first proof, what we want, OA square we want. In which triangle you will get OA square? To get this, first we have to do one construction. That is, first we have to join the O to A. Then only we will get OA. We will join OA. We will join OA. Then again OB also. Join OB also. This is a construction part. Write in the construction part. I will not write here. You have to write in the construction part. That is, join OA, OB and OC. Join OA, OB and OC you have to write in the construction part. I will not write here. See here. Now OA square, that is OA square. In which triangle we will get OA square? See, in a triangle OFA. In a triangle OFA, can we get the OA square? Yes. By this is a hypotenuse we will get in this triangle OFA. In a triangle OFA, can I mark with the red one only? See here. In this triangle, in a triangle OFA, in a triangle OFA, we will get OA square also. I will write in triangle OFA. In triangle OFA, OA square is equal to AF square, or you can say that AF square plus OF square. AF square plus OF square, and mark it as a equation number 1. Mark it as a equation number 1. And in a proof, what we want in the next? See here, OB square we want. Where we will get OB square? OB square in a triangle OBD, or you can say that ODB. In a triangle ODB. In a triangle ODB, we will get OB square. OB square is equal to OD square plus BD square. OD square plus BD square we got here, and mark it as a equation number 2. Now what we want in the next proof? OC square we want here. See here, how to get the OC square? In which triangle you will get OC square? In a triangle OEC. In a triangle OEC, can we get the OC square? In this triangle. See here, I will mark this triangle. In this triangle, that is triangle OEC. In a triangle OEC, can we write the OC square is equal to, in triangle OEC, OC square is equal to OE square plus CE square. OE square plus CE square. Can we write OC square is equal to OE square plus EC square, and mark it as equation number 3. Now what we want in the proof? In the proof we want addition of these all 3. Therefore we will add equation, these all equation. Adding equation 1, 2 and 3. After adding equation 1, 2, 3, we get what we will get. See here, we have to add LHS first. OA square plus OB square plus OC square is equal to AF square plus OF square plus BOD square plus BD square plus OE square plus CE square. This much we got here after adding the equation 1, 2 and 3. Now in a proof, what we want? In a proof we want OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square. Minus OD square means this OD we have to send towards left hand side, and minus OE square, and also OE also we have to send towards left hand side, and minus OF square. Therefore, and send OF also towards left hand side. Therefore it will become a minus. Therefore OA square plus OB square plus OC square. Now take this OD square. take this OD square towards left hand side. Here it is positive, therefore it will become negative. It will come minus. And OE square also take to the left hand side. It will also become minus OE square. And also OF also take towards left hand side. It will become minus OF square is equal to, what is remaining things here? AF square is remaining, and again BD square is remaining, then CE square is remaining. See here, we want in the proof, what we want in the proof, in the first proof, this much only we want in the first proof, therefore we got here and right here, hence proved, hence proved. Now we will see second proof also. See, in second proof what we want, in a second proof we want AF square. AF square. AF square in which triangle we will get? In a triangle AOF we will get AF square. We will see second proof also. This is the first proof. In a second proof what we want? AF square we want. AF square we will get in a triangle AOF. In triangle AOF, in triangle AOF, AF square, this AF square is equal to, can I write AO square minus OF square? AO square minus OF square. AO square minus OF square. By using the Pythagoras theorem, you will get AF square is equal to AO square minus OF square. I will write here only. See here. And what we want in the second proof? In the second proof, we want BD square also. BD square how to get? And mark this as a equation number 4 here. Mark this as a equation number 4. And BD square also we want. In which triangle we will get BD square? In a triangle ODB we will get BD square. In triangle ODB, in triangle ODB, in triangle ODB, BD square, from triangle ODB we got here BD square is equal to OB square minus OD square. See here, from triangle, this one triangle, from triangle OBD, or you can say that ODB, we got OB square minus BD square, OD square. OB square minus OD square is equal to BD square we got here from the Pythagoras theorem. And what we want in the next proof? See here, in the proof CE square also we want here. We will get CE square. In which triangle we will get CE square? In a triangle EOC. In a triangle EOC, can we get CE square? Yes. In a triangle EOC, in triangle EOC, in a triangle EOC, CE square is equal to, this CE square is equal to OE square, or you can say that OC square minus OE square, OC square minus OE square. Mark it as equation number 6. Mark it as equation number 6, and I will write equation number 7 here also. Now in triangle, see here, in the next proof what we want? In the next proof we want AE square. AE square in which triangle we will get? In a triangle AOE. In a triangle AOE we will get AE square. That is AE square. Therefore AE square is equal to, in triangle AOE, AE square is equal to, AE square is equal to, I will write AO square minus OE square. AO square minus OE square I can write here. Therefore, and mark this as a equation number 7. Mark it as equation number 7. And what we want in the next, see here, next we want CD square and BF square. CD square in which triangle we will get? In a triangle DOC we will get CD square, and in triangle BF where we will get? In a triangle BOF we will get BF square. I will write both this. See here, in triangle, to get a CD square, in triangle DOC, in triangle DOC, CD square is equal to OC square minus OD square. OC square minus OD square. Mark it as equation number 8. And in triangle BOF, in triangle BOF, BF square is equal to BO square minus OF square. BO square minus OF square, BO or OB, you can say that, minus OF square. Mark it as equation number 9. See, in a proof what we want? In a proof we want addition of equation number 4, 5 and 6. That is AF square plus BD square plus CE square. In a proof we want here. Now first we will add equation 4, 5, 6. Adding adding equation 4, 5 and 6, we get, let us see what we will get here. First we will add LHS. In LHS of equation number 4, AF square is there, plus equation number 5, BD square plus CE square plus, we have added this much only, na? Only for 3 equations we have to add. AF square plus BD square plus CE square we have to add, which is equal to, we will add RHS also. Now we will add RHS. In RHS what we have? AO square minus OF square plus OB square minus OD square, minus OD square plus OC square minus OE square, minus OE square. This is we have. After adding, we will get this much here. Now mark it as a equation number 10. Mark it as a equation number 10. And also in the proof we want AE square plus CD square plus BF square also we want in the proof. Let's, that also we will write here. Adding equation 7, 8 and 9, we will add these equations. We will add equation number 7, 8 and 9, we get, see here, we will add equation number 7, 8 and 9. First we will add LHS, AE square plus CD square plus BF square is equal to, now we will add RHS, AO square minus OE square plus OC square minus OD square plus BO square minus OF square, and mark it as equation number 11. Now in a proof what we want, see here, in a proof we want AF square plus BD square plus CE square is equal to this much we want in the proof, that is AF square plus BD square plus CE square is equal to AE square plus CD square plus BF square we want in the proof. How to get this? See here, LHS of equation 10 and 11. In LHS of equation 10 is AF square plus BD square plus CE square. This is the LHS of our proof. And in RHS of a proof, this much is there. Therefore, to get in RHS, we have to subtract equation 11 from equation 10. Subtracting equation 11 from equation 10. We have to subtract this equation 11 from equation 10. Write carefully all the terms here. We have to subtract the equation number 11 from the equation number 10. Equation number 10 में से equation number 11 subtract करना है. See here equation number 10. First I will write AF square plus BD square plus CE square. This is the equation number 10. We have to subtract the equation 11. While subtracting, we have to change the signs of all the terms here. This is a plus AE square, it will become minus AE square. And here it is a plus CD square, it will become minus CD square. It will become minus BF square is equal to, now first I will write RHS of equation number 10. RHS of equation number 10 I will write here. AO square minus OF square plus OB square minus OD square plus OC square minus OE square. After subtracting equation 11 from the equation 10, subtract करने के बाद क्या होगा? These term signs we have to change. That is, here all signs are changes. Here plus AO square is there, it will become minus AO square. It will become minus AO square. Here minus OE square is there, therefore it will become plus OE square. And here plus OE square is there, therefore it will become minus OC square. Here plus OC square is there, therefore it will become minus OC square. Here minus OD square is there, therefore it will become plus OD square. Here plus BO square is there, therefore it will become minus BO square. And here minus OF square is there, therefore it will become plus OF square. It will become plus OF square. Now see here, it seems to be large, but it is a very easy. Okay. See here, this plus AO square and minus AO square get cancelled. Plus AO square minus AO square get cancelled. Minus OF square and plus OF square get cancelled. plus OB square minus OB square get cancelled, minus OD square plus OD square get cancelled, plus OC square minus OC square get cancelled, minus OE square plus OE square get cancelled. Therefore, all the terms of RHS are get cancelled. Means what will remain in the RHS? That is 0 will remain in the RHS. Therefore, now send this all terms, that is this negative terms towards right hand side, it will become positive. Therefore, AF square plus BD square plus CE square. Now we have to send these all terms towards right hand side, because at right hand side there is a 0. Therefore, these all terms will become positive. AE square, here minus is there, therefore it will become plus AE square plus CD square plus BF square. And this much only we want in the proof, hence proved. Hence proved. It seems to be large, but it is a very easy part. Practice it once, you will getting easily. Okay, copy down this. Now we will see question number 9. See, in a question number 9, what is given here? In a question number 9, there is a ladder 10 meter long. A ladder length is given as 10 meter. A ladder 10 meter long reaches a window 8 meter above the ground. There is a window which is 8 meter above the ground. Find the distance of the foot of the ladder from the base of the wall. Foot of the ladder from the base of the wall, we have to find the distance here. Let us see. First we will assume here the window which is a 8 meter above the ground. I will draw the window. Suppose the window is at point B, which is a 8 meter above from the ground. Let at a point B there is a window which is 8 meter above the ground, and this ground point I will assume as A, and a ladder of a 10 meter long, 10 meter long, I will assume BC as a ladder. See, this is a point is a C, and this BC is a ladder of a 10 meter long. Now we have to find the distance of the foot of the ladder. This is the foot of a ladder from the base of the wall. This is AB is a wall. Therefore, we have to find this distance AC. It is the distance of the foot of the ladder from the base of the wall. That distance AC we have to find here. Let us see how to find. Let B is the point, B be the point, B be the point at which window is there. B is the point, B be the point at which window is there. At which window is there. Therefore, AB is a height of window above the ground. Therefore, AB is the height of a window above the ground. Height of a window above the ground, the height is AB, that is 8 meter, it is given here. And let BC be a ladder. BC be a ladder. BC be a ladder. Therefore, AC is a distance of the foot of the ladder from base of the wall, from the base of the wall. Therefore, this AC is a distance of the foot of the ladder from the base of a wall. Therefore, in triangle ABC, angle A is equal to 90 degree. Angle A is equal to 90 degree. What is the reason? Because wall is vertical to the ground. Wall is vertical to the ground. Therefore, angle A is equal to 90 degree here. Therefore, by using Pythagoras theorem, Pythagoras theorem. By using Pythagoras theorem, BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square. BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square here. Then what is the value of BC here? BC is a 10. Put here 10 square is equal to AB. What is the value of AB here? AB is 8. 8 square plus AC we don't know. Put as it is AC square. Then 10 square is equal to 100. 8 square is equal to 64 plus AC square is equal to, send this 64 towards left hand side, it will become minus, therefore 100 minus 64 is equal to AC square. Therefore AC square is equal to 100 minus 64 is equal to 36. Therefore AC is equal to, plus minus 6 meter. Therefore plus minus 6 meter we got. AC is equal to, and here minus we have to neglect because distance can't be negative. Therefore AC is equal to 6 meter. We assume AC is equal to 6 meter. We have to neglect minus 6 because distance can't be negative. Therefore write one statement here. Therefore the distance of the foot of the ladder from the base of the wall is 6 meter. You have to write this sentence below the answer. Now these are the solutions for the yesterday's homework, and now I will give a homework. Write down the homework. Homework questions are question number 10, 11 and 12. Try to solve these questions from the exercise 5.3. That is, I will give you here. Homework questions are question number 10, 11, 12 from exercise 6.5. Exercise 6.5, question number 10, 11 and 12. These are the for the homeworks. If you got, try it. If you not got, then I will give the solution in the next class. Bye students.